What's up, everybody? Welcome all to Cilinix Crypto and welcome back. And in this video, I wanted to take a quick look at Ecash, or XEZ, C, I should say, not to confuse it with a Z. So yeah, I wanted to take a look at this today because it's one of the most bullish cryptos today. Obviously, today we had a small recovery. Small recovery throughout the whole crypto market. But to be quite honest with you, I already saw Ecash yesterday because it actually dropped down a fair amount, like more than other cryptos. And now you see that it's recovering, but over the last week it's still down 33%, which is a lot less than like Gala, Mana, GMT, ApeCoin, Harmony. So it fell more than other cryptos. So today I wanted to take a look at it, what has happened, at what support level we found support actually, and what's about to happen and from now on. So I said this in the 5 videos as well this morning, but that is why you're wondering that we're still down 33% after going up by 47%. That is that if a coin drops down by like, I think Ecash dropped down by 60%. If a coin drops down by 60%, it has to grow in price with 120, if I'm correct, at least more than 100. So therefore, a gain of 47% is great, obviously, but it's not enough to recover all those losses, and it's still down a fair bit from last week. If we take a look at the analysis, though, what we did is a couple of days ago we found some support here at 5,200. That's what I'm going to call the prices as, because it's so low. Could also be that on your exchange it's like 520, depending on how many decimals they calculate. But you know the deal, I think. Found support there, afterwards dropped down by a huge candle. So that was that big drop that was actually right here, and oh no. And so sometimes it's just like that these short positions don't really cooperate with me. But yeah, and now I cannot grab it anymore. Let's see, wait a minute. But yeah, I think we could check it out like this as well. No, not really. But yeah, major drop, excuse me for that, probably going to edit it out. But we found support ultimately here at this 3,000 level, like between 2,500 and 3,000. Both psychological support levels, so I actually think that support level is quite strong. This was more like this. Yeah, so so what I think is going to happen, we have already bounced up to where we're at right now at 4,600. I think we are going to go up a little bit more towards this 5,000 level, 5,300 level. And I think there's a small possibility we'll also get up to this 6,400 level. But that really depends on the market circumstances. For example, if Bitcoin, and we can actually grab a chart of Bitcoin real quick. Normally I don't do that, but just to visualize that a little bit and to compare that, because I do think the market is very correlated as of right now, so it is definitely valuable to also take a look at Bitcoin. So yeah, as you can see right now with Bitcoin, we're struggling with this 30k level. If Bitcoin actually goes up to 33,000, then I think XEZ can also go up to this level here at 6,500. But I do think that from that level, we will reject down again towards this 3,500 level, which is a very small support level, but I think it's strong enough to hold us for at least a couple of days, basically beginning a consolidation between 5,000 and 3,500. And I think that consolidation could actually hold for a couple of days at least, but I have to be honest with you, it's very hard to predict any longer than that. So I think we'll consolidate, and then depending on that, and as of right now, I'm more biased towards the bearish side. After that, I do think we'll drop down again to this level right here. So we'll probably see something like this. And I expect this level to actually hold on for a longer period of time. So between 3,000 and 2,500 for at least a couple of weeks. But realistically, and we will know more about that in a couple of weeks, if this is a real bear market and if it keeps dropping, then I also don't think this level is going to hold, and it might be more reasonable to start looking at levels like 1,500 for a more long-term support. But as I said, that's perhaps a little bit too long-term. For now, this is my short-term analysis, so kind of depending on the market circumstances, I think we'll just consolidate for a couple of days. So if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.